Hey everyone, this is Pedro here again, Inventory Control Lead at WholesomeCo. Today we're going to go over some 510 thread batteries. Here's what all vape carts look like. We have the mouthpiece up here. The glass or plastic that we have here contains the oil inside of there. At the bottom we have the threaded part, and this is the part that connects to the battery. So for example, we got this Khalifa Kush gold battery right here. Grab your vape cartridge. I'm gonna grab one of my favorite vape cartridges here at WholesomeCo, which is the pink lemonade. And you just, put the two together, screw them on. Again, this has no button. This battery is a breath activated battery. They work with most vape carts, but there will be some vape carts from certain brands, certain hardware doesn't work. So for example, we got this vape cartridge here from Fruit of Life. And as you can see, it lets you know right there, requires button battery. The next level up when it comes to 510 thread batteries, a variable voltage battery, which is usually a button battery. We have the WholesomeCo Vessel battery here. And to turn on your battery, you want to press the button 5 times. To change the temperature on your battery, you have to press the button 3 times. They work usually like on all vape carts. There are some that you can dial in your temperature to the exact temperature that you need. So for example, we have this Yokan here. There's this little magnet that this comes with. This is very, very important, and you put it on and off every vape cart that you use. Instead of screwing the cart directly to the battery, you screw it to the magnet. Make sure that's on pretty firm and tight, and you simply just drop it in. To increase or decrease the temperature, hit the arrow pointing down to lower it, up arrow to bump it up. I usually like to keep mine anywhere from like 2.0 to 2.5. It's definitely worth the investment on these.